timing is everything. Ma-recognize ka agad na na-stroke ng isang tao. Ano yung mga common signs and symptoms. So, tinatawag na originally fast. So, pag ang face ay nangingiwi. Tapos, yung hina ng isang kamay o nagdi-drift. Arm drift na tinatawag. And then yung speech, di makapagsalita. So, face paralysis, facial droop, arm drift or weakness, speech difficulty, FAST, time to go to the nearest stroke ready, hindi ordinary hospital, stroke ready hospital. Ibig sabihin ng stroke ready, may CT scan at may neurologist. Test yun ng